Good evening, student. Today we start exercise subtraction of rational number. So it goes similar way like what we all learned in standard 6, how to subtract a fraction. So in that case also we have to look that the whether the given fraction or given rational number are in their denominator are same or not. If they are same, then we go in simpler method. If the denominators are different, then we have to take LCM and then we go ahead. So here we start here. Question number 1. In question number 1, first question, you can see 5 by 7 minus 3 by 7 it is. So we have the similar fraction here. So we don't need to take LCM. We go simply. I have solution. So you look here. So first one question, I have write 5 by 7 minus 3 by 7. 5 minus 3 by 7 directly we can write, and then we can subtract this 5 minus 3, that is 2 by 7. Second question I have written here, sorry, it is also 3 question I write here and I solve here for your convenient. Okay, so for your understanding. So now we start. So first of all, you take the LCM of these two, and as I told you that if we take the LCM and one number is a multiple of another number, so you can see that 6 is a multiple of 3, so we directly write 6 as the LCM. 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 6 and 1 2 ja 2 minus here we have plus, and 6 1 ja 5 1 ja 5. So it is 6 by 7. So if in answer you can see in the back side of the book, if the answer is written in the whole mixed fraction, then you can write in mixed fraction, otherwise this is the final answer. Okay, so now here also, first of all, we change the sign, minus plus 5. Now you know if there is no number in denominator, it become 1. There is a 1. Now we take the LCM of 1 and 8. You know what is the LCM of 1 and 8? It is 8 itself. So first of all, we write minus 3 into 1, that is minus 3, plus 1 into 8, here 1 into 8 8, and 5 into 8 40. So what you get here, 40 minus 3, that is 37 by 37 by 8. This is our answer. You can go like this, and here first we change the sign, minus 12, and you know whatever number we add to 0, we get the same number, that is 9 by 12. No need to take LCM and go ahead further. So directly in the second step you can get the answer. Second one is the we have to subtract minus 7 by 9 from minus 2 by 5. First of all, we write from 1. Okay, from, we have to subtract this one from this. So first of all, we write the number which from which we subtract minus 7 by 9, that is minus 2 by 5. So first of all, I write minus 2 by 5 minus 7 by 9. Now first, and then after that I change the sign of second number as minus plus. You know this thing we have learned in the standard 6, minus plus. Okay, when there is multiplication sign. So we take the LCM 9 and 5, LCM of 9 and 5, this is 45, because they are co-primes, means there is no any common factor other than 1. So when we multiply simply 9 5 is 45, then we multiply 9 to 2, that is minus 18, and 5 to 7, that is 35. When we subtract these two, we get 17 by 45, that is our final answer. One more question I have taken for solution here. I give the solution for this. So we first of all we write minus 7 by 20 minus 11 by 15. So we take the LCM of 15 and 20 in rough work. This is rough work. So LCM of 20 and 50. So we have to choose a number which divide both of these, that is 5 4 is 5 3. There is no any number which divide these two, 4 and 3. So we multiply all this, 5 into 4 into 3, that is 23 is 60. So we go at 60, the 60 is the LCM, so we make 20 as 60 how by 3 times, 23 is 60. So minus 7 3 is 21, minus 15 4 is 11 4 is, that is 44. Now minus plus, so we get here 4 plus 1 5, 4 plus 2 6, 60 minus 65 by 60. This is the answer. Like this, you have to solve all the question of 1 and 2. Now we go ahead further, move further. So we go look the question first of all. Question that is 3 number. The sum of two rational number is minus 3 by 7. If one of the number is minus 5 by 8, find the other number. We have to find another number, and sum of number is given to us. One number is given to us. We have to find another number. So 3, 4, and here 5 number. They are all same type. Okay, 6 number also. So in this all the case we have given with the sum, that is the answer of addition of two rational number, and we have to find the one number. Okay, so let's start with the question number 3. So look how to go. So I write the sum of two number is minus 7 by 3. The first number is minus 5 by 8. Another rational number, of first rational number, another rational number is, from sum we have to subtract the number. Okay, what is the sum? Minus 7 by, sorry, minus 3 by 7, and what is the number? Minus 5 by 8. So here minus plus, minus 3 by 5 plus 5 by 8. So we take the LCM of 5 and 8. Why? It is directly 56. Why? Because they are co-prime. There is no any number, there is no any factor count between them. Okay, other than 1. In case of 15, there is 5 is count. That's why we take the LCM. We don't take the direct answer here. But in this case, there is no any common factor. Okay. So when we take the LCM, so 56 directly when we multiply these two, we multiply 8 to 3, that is minus 24, and when we multiply 7 to 5, that is 35. So when we subtract these two, we get 11 by 56. This is our answer. So that is the required number. You can add here. Required rational number equals to 11 by 56. This is our answer. So now we move forward here. 5 number, question number 5. First of all, read the question. Here we go. What number should be added to this much? Means minus 5 by 15 to get 5 by 9. That is 5 by 9 is the sum. As you know, to get 5 by 9, sum is given to us and one number is given to us. So I write here sum of the two numbers, that is 5 by 9. The first number is minus 5 by 11. So second number or another rational number is minus 5 by 9 minus 5 by 11 equals to 5 by 9 plus 5 by 11. Okay. How it is plus? Because minus plus. Then I take the LCM. As you know, 9 and 11 is the co-prime again. We will multiply directly. 9, 11, 9 is 99. So it is 55 plus 45 by 99. It is 100 by 99. So required number is 100 by 99. So till 6 you can do by yourself like this. We have to go. Now 7 number. 7 number is little bit different. So in 7 number, first of all, we have to read the question. Question is, from which number should minus 11 by 14 be subtracted to give minus 1 by 4? That is minus 1 by 4 difference. One thing is clear. The second thing, we have to understand that what is minus 11 by 14. It is a number that is subtract, or it is the number from which we have to subtract. Understand? So to understand this one, I give some example. Okay, so what is the minus 11 by 14? That is the number which is this one is subtracted from any number. Okay, so you can you see the example I give here. Suppose I subtract 2 from 5, that is 2 is subtracted from 5 to get 3. So what we when we take this example question, then we put that from which number should 2 be subtracted to give 3. So what is the answer? Obviously 5. So whenever you are not able to understand the question, you put the simple numbers and then you get the answer. Okay, so here in 7 number, difference of two rational number is minus 1 by 4. Rational number that subtracted from another rational number, that is minus 11 by 14. Another word for it is subtractant, I think it is. You can use that word also. Required rational number is minus 11 by 14 plus minus 1 by 4. Why I add? You can see here how I get 5. So when we add 2 and 3, then I get 5. So here minus 11 by 14 plus minus 1 by 4. There is no need to subtract. Okay, so how you go? I go with the example. First I write this example. We have to subtract 2 from 5, then I get 3. So how we get 5? 2 plus 3, then I get 5. So simply we have to add it. So what we get here? Minus 29 by 28. Hence required rational number is minus 29 by 28. So this is the And like this you have to solve the question of exercise 7. And if you have any problem, you can write in discussion group. I open that one. And also I make the video for the that what you call dot question for some question for some student, those who are not understand the question. Please give your dot question, okay? Because if you're not able to understand the question chapter, there is lot of problem to understand. Go further in higher classes, okay? Now in higher classes the concept of again the same thing, okay, is repeated. So that's all for today.